All right, so four compounds, four IR spectra. How would you match them? All right, just like what we did earlier. All right, so before we take a look at those four IR spectra, first off, think first. How would you differentiate these four compounds using IR spectra? Okay, number one should be easy for you. So as an OH bond, a symmetrical broad peak around 3300, right? And that's it. The rest are just an alkane. How would you differentiate between one and two though? Well, obviously use an alkene. Now, where does the alkene show up? Well, not an alkene, but it's actually the sp2ch bond. There are three of them right here. All right, so they'll show up right above 3000. Don't forget to draw the 3000 line. Okay, just one line. It helps so much. Number three, the rest are alkane plus a carboxylic acid. So you should see an asymmetrical broad peak from about 3300. Right, that's tell you that's number three. Number four, just like one and two, OH symmetrical broad, right, plus an alkyl SpCH bond. All right, so let's take a look at spectrum A. Oh, this is so obvious. So draw the 3000 line real quick. So you should see sp3ch right below it. That's an alkane. The whole thing here now move to region number two. So you see a symmetrical broad peak. That's carboxylic acid. Okay, now carboxylic acid is usually accompanied with a C double bond O stretching. That's in region number three. We'll get there later at 1715. Let's say the propanoic acid. All right. Move on to spectrum B. Again, every time when you have an IR spectrum, draw the line. You see right below 3000, no, sp3ch. Right above it, no, sp2ch. But you see symmetrical broad. That's an alcohol. Okay, alkane and alcohol. That's compound number one. Yeah. Spectrum C, that's what we get. Draw the line 3000, right below it, sp3ch, right above it. Oh, you see a little peak right here? No, right, that's an sp2ch bond. This guy got an alkene. Okay, and we move to region number two, symmetrical broad. That's an OH. All right, so this is a compound number two. On region number three, we'll talk about it, but I just want to show you first. See, double bond O usually medium or weak in intensity, and it comes up about 1625. We'll get there. That's tell you hey, there's a C double bond C stretching. Last one, spectrum D. Draw the line. What do you see? You see sp3ch right there, right below it. All right, right above it, nothing right above it. Move on to region number two. Ta-da! You see an alcohol. Okay, but some of you might see something else too. Ta-da! Right here, they overlap. The alcohol overlap with an SpCH bond. That's an alkyne right down here, terminal alkyne. All right. This peak can also tell you there's a C triple bond C stretching at below 2200. But that's in region number four. We'll get that later. Okay, just want to show you real quick. All right, so I have another practice. This next one is for amines. All right, go to the next video.